The Alfagar Alto landscape is vibrant and attractive with not one, but 3 inviting swimming pools for all ages. Dotted with sun lounges and palm trees, the poolside areas offer relaxation and activity with slides and splash pools to delight everyone. Wonderful elevated views of the ocean and private access to the nearby beach through the village. The bustling town of Albufeira is only a short drive away, making this hotel perfectly located to suit families, friends, and couples. The spacious and tastefully decorated apartments are spread across 5 floors. Each apartment includes a combined living room, bathroom, bedroom, hairdryer, fully equipped kitchenette, and a furnished balcony. There are spacious eating areas, dining room and sumptuous bar, and a well-equipped fitness center with an indoor pool. The Alfagar self-catering apartment hotel is perfect for families of all ages. Lots of space and much to explore on a perfect holiday in Portugal.